Hi viewers, welcome back to Nse Trading. Yes, as mentioned in the title of this video, I'm going to speak about the RSI, which is Relative Strength Index. Okay, do you need a strategy which is most reliable most of the time? Do you need a strategy through which you can pick a right stock at right time? Then this video is for you. And RSI is the key for your questions. Most of you may gone through the name RSI. Some of you may not. But is this strategy is false proof? A quick disclaimer. Please note that there is no false proof strategy in the world and it doesn't exist. RSI is most reliable indicator which works most of the time if we enter the stock at right time. RSI, Relative Strength Index, is the most popular trading indicator which indicates the strength of a stock movement, whether stocks are overpriced or underpriced. RSI oscillated between the value 0 and 100. Do RSI have formula? Yes, this is the formula. Let me read it fast for you. RSI equals 100 minus 100 divided by 1 plus RS. RS equals average gain divided by average loss. Average gain equals sum of gains over the past 14 period divided by 14. Average loss equals sum of loss over the past 14 period divided by 14. Hectic, isn't it? Do you want to calculate this formula every time or do you need to remember this formula to use this tool? Definitely no. All trading platforms have this indicator tool. You can just implement it in the price chart and you can use it as you go. I personally suggest not to change that, but of course, you have the freedom to choose your settings. RSI indicator indicates two status of a stock. One is overbought, another one is oversold. If the stock goes below 30, the stock is said to be oversold. If the stock goes above 70, the stock is said to be overbought. What will you do if the indicator is saying oversold? Can you place a buy order immediately? What will you do if the indicator is saying overbought? Can you place a sell order immediately? Definitely no. Then what can you do? Yes, you can do one thing. Note down the important rules which I am telling you now. Maybe it is a secret if you don't know. If the stock goes into oversold zone, don't place the order immediately. Wait and watch the fall. After the fall, wait for a rise. Stock will rise and RSI will go above 30 now. When it crosses above 30, it's your time to pick the stock in your portfolio. Same for overbought. Wait and watch the rise. After the rise, wait for a fall. Stock will fall and the RSI will go below 70 now. When it crosses below 70, it's your time to place the sell order. Okay, it's that simple? I can follow only this step? No. Choosing a right stock at right time is more important for a stock trader. Indicator will help you to say only right time, but not right stock. If your selection of stock is wrong, everything will go wrong and your money will be at risk. If the stock is falling, there is not only momentum and technical parameters involved in it. It is essential to know more than that. To choose a right stock, please be in touch by subscribing our channel. We are going to see more videos about the fundamentals of a stock, which is essential to choose the right decision and to become a good trader.